Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Chris in Tennessee on its Stryker SR-447HPC2. Chris, got it ready to go for you, bud? Tune alignment. Let's get right to it. Turn the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. We set it at 2 watts so you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amplifier. 15 all the way up. Now I'm going to show you that average power swing. Low 44 bird, 100 watt slug in PEP. Low about 89 watts PEP. Chris got ready to go for you, bud. Glad he's able to grab onto this. We're down to 2 of these left, and good Lord only knows when we're going to get the next shipment in. So enjoy it from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.